So everyone, Jyoti ma'am is going to be hosting our session for Geet Mala today. She is our Sukoon.
Namaste friends, सुकून का शनिवार presents गीतमाला मूवीज इन मी सिनेमा और मैं चित्रपट संगीत और मैं हूं आपकी जूम सखी ज्योति रमेश from Bangalore. Welcome to this program. I'm as happy as you to be the host of this program. So मैं हूं आपकी Zoom सखी. So to begin with, so the second slide please. Priya is introducing me. Yeah, second one. That's okay. That's the introduction about me. I think all of them would have read about me. We can move to the third one. Yeah.
नहीं मैम फिर भी कोई बात नहीं. So Jyoti ma'am is a passionate travel enthusiast and she also loves being involved with music and movies and she has such vast knowledge. In fact, मैं भी कभी कभार उनसे बात करती हूँ and I get to know so much about those 90s वाला movies part especially, and today's session is especially for that particular decade.
Not only 90s, yeah. Thanks, Priya. You're exaggerating everything. So now, to begin with, please read this sentence. I have seen the whole world, but haven't found anybody like you. Okay. Can anybody recognize this song? Yes.
I can remember.
Yes.
तुमसे बढ़कर दुनिया में न देखा कोई और something. Is that the song?
Nanu sir,
Yeah.
sorry, but then this is the latest super hit. I thought हम लोग ऐसे भी
I
हैं
have
कि we
seen the
enjoy the
whole
latest.
world, but haven't found
No,
any.
no, it is not like
In
that.
this
I'm
Apple.
also
Okay,
adding.
because she started saying 90s, no? So I
Yeah,
was like,
yeah.
It is from
Yeah.
Salman's movie.
Yeah.
I am not remembering the words exactly, but Salman's movie, it's a
yes,
Yes.
Sultan song.
Sultan, yeah.
Exactly. Nanu sir, you're totally on the dot. Yes. Yes. Can anybody sing that?
Sorry.
जग घुमया सान कोई. That's the song. I don't know the lyrics.
Yes, you're right. Jag ghumaya sa.
Rai jaisa na koi.
Yes. Who's that? Please sing that. Jag
Vanita.
ghumaya. Yes.
I'm Vanita.
Vanita, hi. Sing no, please. Somebody singing. Amita, you're singing?
No. No, not
I'm
really.
exactly not remembering the words, exact
Yeah,
words, so I
I'm
can't
also
sing.
not remembering the words. I just know the tune. I only know to dance to this number.
So next time we can have dancing session.
Amita ma'am, if you're comfortable, I can play the song on YouTube here and आप कर सकते हैं dance if you're comfortable.
नहीं.
Comfortable is
Go
the key
ahead.
word. The way he sits down and rotates, Salman
Yes.
does.
Yes.
So if you can replicate that, it's wonderful.
No, sir. I'm not going to attempt that. I don't want to fracture my body.
Can you play that? Try. Priya
No.
is trying to play that.
No, don't waste. No.
नहीं
I
ma'am,
won't.
Amita ma'am does not want to. It's okay. Let's move ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not because that is complicated. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm at that
No
time.
Now, friends, I will just, it is our Raj Kapoor sir's, centenary. So how can we not recall his movies? So I'm going to just give you a quiz question based on that, right?
Ma'am, should I move on to the next slide?
No. Please wait.
Okay.
किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके चले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे प्यार, जीना इसी कहानी है। तो अभी क्वेश्चन ये है, कौन सा मूवी का है और किस साल बनाया गया था?
Anadi.
Yes, everybody knows that.
Anadi.
Yes, clap to all of us, right? All of us know this song, right? And one more thing which I wanted to say regarding this Jag Ghumaya Tar Jaisa Na Ko. in that song, they after some 3-4 lines or something, there is a word सुकून आता है उसमें. इसीलिए I chose this song.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, yes,
Yes, the
I
song.
remember that.
Pardon me.
I remember Sukoon being a
Yes.
operative word in that song.
Yes, the word comes there. तू सुकून जैसी है, तू कुछ कुछ आता है उसमें. पुराने गाने तो यूं ही निकल जाते हैं हमारे मुंह से, लेकिन ये लेटेस्ट गाने तो अभी निकलते नहीं है हमारे मुंह से.
Yes,
Very
फिर भी
true.
मैं बोल रही हूँ, वो बहुत सुंदर है, गाना भी बहुत सुंदर है. Please, all of you, if you have not listened, this is what I wanted to tell you. This, I chose this song because of this. जग घुमया तारे जैसा न कोई, और उसमें सुकून वर्ड आता है. Okay. So now we finished the first question. किसी के मुस्कुराहट पे हो निसार. Abhi, next I'm moving on to the next slide. Yeah. So again, just show this. Yeah. Can anybody sing the translation of this song?
Sun, sun, sun. Arey Baba, sun. Oh my darling, give me. Oh no, no, no,
It's
no, no, not that.
close, but I want one particular song. क्योंकि listen ना है उसमें.
Suno na, suno na.
Yes,
Suno na,
Nano.
suno na.
Nano, stealing the show.
Suno na, suno na.
सुनो ना सुन लो ना हम सफर की छी को चुन लो ना. Sangeeta, that's a cute thing you're wearing on your head. Very cute.
You wait and see the whole day. You'll see cute things.
Wow. Wow.
She has opened her Christmas box.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's really cute.
He is
Right?
our Santa for the day. Sangeeta
Oh,
ma'am हमारी
wow.
Santa है. Lucky draw will be
told us-
announced by her
She
only.
told us that she has got a box for each occasion. There's one for
Wow.
Diwali, one for Holi, one for
Wow, that's
Christmas.
really nice. Okay.
Which is for
So-
birthday?
Yeah.
And one for birthdays also.
So now
Whose
my
birthday?
next question.
Anybody's
My
birthday.
next question. Okay. The clue is two mad people in a city.
हाँ,
दो आवारा
that
इस
is.
शहर में.
दो दीवाने बड़े
Yes, Geeta, yes.
बिना सहारे
Yeah.
देखो पूछ के हारे.
नहीं.
No.
नहीं नहीं,
Another clue
that
I'll
is
give
that
you.
one.
दो
what is
दीवाने
the-
शहर में.
Yes,
दीवाने.
Nano. I was just going to give the clue.
मैंने बोल दिया था. मेरे को
शहर में.
Next one hasn't
संगीता
come.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. संगीता.
हाँ, मैंने बोला तो
बोला था?
पहले नानू जी, मैंने पहले
हाँ.
बोल दिया.
मैंने नहीं बोला दो दीवाने शहर.
अच्छा. Okay.
दो दीवाने दिल के.
No,
दो
दो दीवाने शहर में, रात और दोपहर में, आबोदाना ढूंढते हैं इतना शिकाना, ढूंढते हैं दो दीवाने.
And
अमोल
Amol
पालेकर
Palekar
है,
and Zarina.
जरीना
Amol
वहाब.
Palekar and Zarina Wahab. Yes.
और उस
Very
गाने
good.
में एक हस्ती है, वो है कि नहीं? He says
Yes.
something and she laughs. What is that he says?
जमीन पे
हाँ?
तारे तारे जमीन पे
जमीन पे.
और जमीन पे तारे और जमीन पे.
Yes.
किचन
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so next slide, please. Yeah, this one.
These signs of yours.
तौबा तुम्हारे इशारे
Sing, sing.
दीवाने
signs of yours.
तुम्हारे.
तौबा तुम्हारे ये इशारे हमको
दीवाने
तुम्हारे सारे. Who has sung this song? Who has sung this song?
सुषमा जी.
Son,
नहीं,
जी.
मतलब
Son,
प्लेबैक सिंगर कौन है?
Sonu Nigam.
नहीं.
No, Shan. Shan.
No. अभिजीत.
Abhijit, okay.
Abhijit.
अभिजीत. तौबा
अभिजीत.
तुम्हारे ये तुम्हारे ये इशारे.
जॉइन करो क्लब में.
Right? Am I right,
Don't
Nanu
take-
sir? Anybody differing with me?
No.
No, right. Abhijit has sang, yes.
Yes. Okay. Abhi, next one I'm going to sing, right? तो आप लोगों को गाना पहचाना चाहिए, ओके? तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया।
एहसान तेरा
तेरा होगा
होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता
चाहता है
है
वो,
तो
कहने
कहने
दो
दो मुझे,
मुझे।
तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो।
Wow, Amita. Claps to Amita. Claps to Amita.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank
on
you.
the dot.
My favorite song, my favorite
Oh.
song.
Can I share one little nugget over here? One little
Yeah,
bit?
yeah, please, Gitanjali, please.
Okay, so this movie was made by my father.
Oh, wow.
Oh, really?
This was
Wow.
Jangli. This was Jangli.
Yeah.
And this is also my favorite song.
Oh, wow, Gitanjali. Very nice, very nice.
So
Thanks to
it
your dad.
really, I mean, this song really brought back even more memories.
Yes. Thanks to your dad, we have such a lovely song, right?
Absolutely.
Thanks to him. Right? Okay.
And Biswajit was the lead actor in this, right?
No,
No,
not
Shami
Rita.
Kapoor.
Shammi
Shami
Shami
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Shami,
Kapoor.
Shami.
My
Shami Kapoor and
father was
Saira
the
Banu.
producer, director, and writer.
Correct,
He
correct,
wasn't
correct.
the
correct.
songwriter or the music director.
Oh my
He was the
goodness.
producer, director, and writer.
Wow, wow.
What was his
Wow,
name,
wow.
Gitanjali?
Anything else?
What was his name?
No, that's all. His name, Subodh Mukherjee.
Subodh
Oh,
Mukherjee. Oh,
wow.
There's so many lovely movies from him.
Yes.
We've
Very
grown up
nice.
seeing his movies.
Yes, yes.
Many,
Thanks to
many
him.
years back.
Thanks to, and can you, I mean, this was sung in two different voices. Can anybody tell me the
Yes.
two separate voices?
Two-
Separately.
One was Kishore Kumar. I will not say.
No, no.
No, it was Mohammed Rafi
Mohammed
Yes.
Rafi.
Mohammed Rafi.
And,
and
Kishore, and this one, that lady also sang, Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata
Yes,
Mangeshkar.
yes.
Yes,
Lata solo, Mohammed
Yes.
Rafi
Yeah.
solo.
Yes,
Can
yes.
we go to the next slide, please? Oh, yes. Recognize this instrument.
This is
Can
the
anybody
Tara.
recognize this? Huh?
Tara.
Ek Tara,
Nine. Anybody else?
Do Tara. Do Tara.
ऐसे बढ़ाते जाएंगे 3 तार हैं.
Nine. It's called Ravan Hatta.
Huh?
Sorry.
What is it
Yeah,
called?
Ravan Hatta.
Oh my
Ravan
God.
Hatta.
Ah, and it's a
Okay.
broad stringed instrument that originated in
Okay.
Sri Lanka, and it is used in India and nearby areas. It is believed to be the ancestor of violin.
Okay.
Wow.
If you just Google, you will
Nice.
find this being played by these Manganiyars and these people in Rajasthan, you know, in those places. You will see that. So I noticed it somewhere. I also thought it must be something like an Iktara, but I came to know that when I Googled it, I found this was the one. I thought I'd share it with you guys. Right? Thank you. So now we move on to the next one. Next question, which I want to give you. Okay, here's the clue. Okay. Rekha, mischief in your eyes.
Rekha, mischief in your eyes.
Rekha, filmed on Rekha, mischief
Oh.
in your eyes.
आपकी आंखों में महके
You're
हुए
close.
से
राज
ख्वाब
है,
है।
उसमें तो राज है, लेकिन इसमें मिस्चिफ है.
मिस्चिफ है।
इन आंखों की मस्ती से
Yes.
In Aankhon Ki Masti. Yes.
Umrao Jan.
Very nice.
Yes.
Umrao Jan.
Yes.
Jan.
Movie name. Movie name.
Umrao Jan. Umrao Jan.
Umrao Jan.
Umrao Jan.
Anybody wants to sing? In आँखों की- Let's all sing. In
आंखों की मस्ती
मस्ताने
हजारों
है, इन आँखों से बरसता अफसाने हजारों. Yes, very good, very good. Nice participation. Lovely, lovely. Can we move to the next slide? Yes, slowly, one by one, one by one. If possible, sing one song sung by the playback singer. Okay. The first one, please recognize the first singer.
अलका याग्निक.
Yagnik.
अलका याग्निक।
Yes, correct. Any song
Second.
anybody can recall?
Udit
And
Narayan.
one is
No,
Narayan.
Alka Yagnik song. Alka Yagnik song.
बयाना सर पे चुप क्यों है? बयाना सर को भी बहुत अच्छे से आता है ये सब.
No, Bharana sir, something wrong in the way I am doing it.
No. You know, when we want it, we can never remember songs.
Yes.
Alka Yagnik, so many songs are there actually.
Yes. Okay. ताल से ताल मिलाओ. She gave such beautiful songs. This is one of them. That's all. Okay. Next playback singer.
Udit Narayan.
Udit Narayan.
Udit Narayan.
Narayan. Yes. Can anybody sing one of his songs?
Lagan, I think he sang a lot of songs.
Yes.
I think पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Correct.
Yes. One of the best hits. Papa कहते हैं. Let us all sing that. Who was it?
पापा
Film
कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा. मगर ये तो
कोई न जाने
कि
मेरी
मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
Lovely, lovely. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा
बड़ा
नाम
नाम
करेगा.
करेगा.
My favorite was of course पहला नशा
Yes,
पहला खुमार
very beautiful song. Yes,
नया
पहला
प्यार
नशा.
है नया
नया
इंतजार
इंतजार कर लूं क्या
कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार. Yes, movie.
बताओ.
That
First
one was Kayamat se
सिकंदर
Kayamat.
से कयामत से
Kayamat.
Name I
जीता
saying the
वही
correct song.
सिकंदर.
Name I saying it correctly. Yes, sir.
जो
Kayamat se
जीता
Kayamat.
वही
First
सिकंदर.
song.
Correct.
Yes.
जो जीता वही
Yes.
सिकंदर.
First song.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर. No, the thing is why I chose like this because we people have enjoyed even post 90s. Beautiful songs have been there, and okay, we know the old songs, but we have also loved these songs. We have
Yes,
grown
yes.
to sing. Our children have played it for us. So I
Yes.
wanted to bring only these kind of songs plus the old ones. Now I mean, what is our genre? Like, our own songs. Okay. There's this song, which is a very beautiful song. And the next person, please recognize the next.
Shreya Ghoshal.
Shreya Ghoshal. Yes, yes. Anybody can sing her song?
Hers.
যদি তোমার সাথ কেউ না
Yes,
দেয়,
Sushma?
যদি তোমার সাথ কেউ না দেয় তো একলা
Oh, she
চলো।
has sung that also. I'm not aware of Jodi Toru Dakshunik.
যদি কেউ ডাক
Tobe
আবে একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে
Tobe
তবে একলা চলো রে. একলা
Please,
চলো
Mr. Bayana,
একলা
please share the
চলো
story.
একলা চলো একলা
Ekla
চলো
chalo
রে.
re.
চলো রে.
Yes, Mr. Bayana, please share the story. You want to share a story?
Yeah, when I saw this photograph of Udit Narayan, it reminded me of one incident. I entered the flight and he was sitting somewhere in the middle. People ahead of me were wishing him and shaking hands.
Okay.
I did not recognize him.
Okay.
So when I came close to his seat, rather than me wishing him, he wished me.
Oh.
And not knowingly, I wished him and went off. Later on, I realized, oh my God, how can we do that?
I remember this story. I mean, somewhere Mr. Bachchan has acknowledged this. He was in the flight. Tata ji was sitting next to him. Bachchan ji is, all of you would have heard this.
Yes.
So he asked him, he told him, I am Amitabh Bachchan. So he asked him some few movie names and he said, no, I have not seen, So then he said, I'm a famous actor, everything. Bachchan has himself admitted. Then later, when he was getting down, Tata ji said, I'm Tata. That
Yes.
humbled him like
Humbled.
anything.
Humbled Amitabh
Yes,
Bachchan.
humbled him anything. And he said, this is what we great people are like this. This is what Bachchan said. So now I would like to take you to I would like to take you on a journey. Zindagi कैसी ये पहेली आए कभी तो हंसाए कभी रुलाए जिंदगी. Yes, who has sung this song?
Anand picture.
Anand,
Mukesh.
Anand.
Mukesh. Anand movie and Mukesh
No, not
on Rajesh Khanna.
Mukesh.
Not Mukesh. Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar.
Mannade.
Yes, who is saying Mannade?
I am Sridhar. Yeah,
Yeah,
Sridhar.
yes, perfect. Mannadeja, Mannadeda.
Manna.
Yes, Mannada,
Yes.
Mannada, na?
Yes.
So
Very nice
next,
song.
yeah, very nice song, lovely song. Yeah. Next we move to Shreya Ghoshal. Actually, I remember this song from this movie Sing is King. Teri o What a beautiful song. She has sung it so well.
Yes.
Dil kho gaya, la la la. Then she goes,
Correct.
teri or. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next
Katrina
slide,
Kaif.
please.
Katrina Kaif was there, no? In this,
Yeah.
Katrina Kaif.
Next slide. Next slide, Priya.
Right.
Yes.
Recognize the actor.
The first actor.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan. Correct. Who said that?
I said that.
Yeah, very
Hello.
good, very good. Salman Khan. So can we remember one of his oldest hit? Any of his oldest hit?
मैंने प्यार किया.
Yes.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Yes.
Best
Song,
movie.
song.
I saw it 4-5 times. मैंने
Okay.
प्यार.
आप
Yes.
सब ठीक घर पे ही हैं घर
Any
पे ही हैं
song
घर
you
पे ही
can
हैं
sing?
From that
तुम लोग
मैंने
कैसे
प्यार
हो?
किया.
Yeah.
This one क्या बोलते हैं?
ये लट
कबूतर जा
Yes.
जा कबूतर जा कबूतर जा.
And who was the heroine? Who was the heroine?
Heroine Bhagyashree.
Bhagyashree
Yeah,
Patwardhan.
thank
Yes, the young Bhagyashree Patwardhan.
कैसे हो
Bhagyashree.
तुम लोग
Very
सब?
young.
Even now, so recently I saw her in one of the functions. She's as beautiful as ever when she was, right? Now the next clue is, okay? Next clue is I'm going to sing that song also. Please name the singer, the actress, and the movie. Okay? तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है
Etbar is the movie. Etbar.
जहाँ भी
इंसाफ का
जाऊं
तराजू।
लगता है तेरी
अपना
महफिल।
Oberoi.
Yes.
इंसाफ का
Oberoi is
तराजू।
there.
Huh?
इंसाफ का
that
तराजू।
Who is saying that?
Raj Kiran is there. Actor.
Amita, please wait. Amita, somebody else
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
talking.
Okay.
वनीता।
Vanita, yes, tell me.
इंसाफ का तराजू।
No. You are close. Actually, the hero is Raj Babbar.
Raj Babbar is.
Yes.
Raj Babbar.
The beautiful movie.
Yes.
Shall I give you the answers or you want to
போட்டுக்கணும்
try?
எல்லாம் போட்டு வச்சுட்டு போயிட்டே
Etbar. Is it Etbar?
No.
निकाह।
आप तो ऐसे ना थे।
निकाह।
आप तो ऐसे ना थे।
आप तो ऐसे ना थे। Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And the singer is Hemlata.
Yes.
Hemlata, the Rajshri Hemlata, right? Who gave us songs
Yeah.
like, ले तो आए हो हमें सपनों के गाँव में. She sang this and she sang this. Can you name any other song which she has sung, Hemlata? Famous super hit songs. चिच्चोर के गाने पूरे उसी ने गाया.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Hemlata.
ओके
Wow.
ओके सी
Yeah, आँखियों की झरोखे से. You're right. Who is
Yeah.
saying आँखियों की झरोखों से?
या अखियों के झरोखों से
मैंने देखा तुम्हें. Yes. Even this Tu Is Tarah Se, it is filmed on Ranjita.
Yes.
Yes, that also is Ranjita only. The movie name is Aap To Aise Na The. Singer is Hemlata. Okay. Next actor, my favorite actor.
Shashi Kapoor.
Shashi Kapoor.
So
The
many
one and the
movies.
only Shashi Kapoor. Yeah.
Yes.
Any song you all can recall?
तुम बिन जाऊं
जाऊं
कहाँ
कहाँ, तुम
बिन
जाऊं
जाऊं कहाँ ये दुनिया में
This song is sung by
कुछ
two
न
singers,
फिर
both
चाहता
Mohammed Rafi
हूँ.
and Kishore Kumar.
Yes.
Yes.
Very right. Actually, I chose this one. खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ
Beautiful. Yes.
दिल के बिछड़ने को.
Beautiful song.
Yeah, movie.
Sharmili.
Ah, who can forget the beautiful Rakhi in
Rakhi.
double role, right? The
Yes.
beautiful
Incidentally,
Rakhi.
that movie is also
I was
my
just
father's.
going to say that, Gitanjali. Your
Yeah,
dad
that
made
movie is also your
too.
dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, what beautiful movies he has given us, Gitanjali.
He has
Thanks
given
that you
lovely
joined us.
movies.
Salute to your
I
dad.
told her that you've grown up
Inimitable Subodh
listening him.
Mukherjee.
Yeah,
Too good. All
Absolutely.
movies too good.
yeah. So the next clue I'm moving on to, right? The song is sung by a South Indian famous classical singer Please
So
listen to my
that's
question. The song is sung by the famous classical singer, and the actors are Nasiruddin Shah and Rameshwari.
Sunaina,
Yes, who is that? Who's that?
and
On
yes,
the dot.
yes, Yesudas and Sunaina.
Wow,
yeah.
Shrikar, you're getting all the
Sunaina.
answers right.
Yes. Yes.
You're walking around. Where are you
Okay.
walking around, sir?
Yeah, I am at home only. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
सुनैना
Very nice. Beautiful.
आज इन नजारों को तुम देखो ओ आज इन नजारों को तुम देखो. It's an unusual combination.
Yes.
Jesudas, Nasiruddin Shah, Rameshwari. So it was a beautiful combination, right?
Yes.
And another famous hit, very unusual, Nasiruddin Shah. Can you recall anybody?
That one, Masoom.
That also is a beautiful song.
Yeah.
तुझसे
Masoom.
नाराज नहीं
नहीं जिंदगी
हैरान
हैरान
हूँ
हूँ
मैं,
मैं।
And Sarfarosh.
मैं.
Sarfarosh, yes.
Hmm.
But what I am referring to is तिरछी टोपी वाले ओ
Yes.
अब बोले वाले.
Unusual role he had played.
Unusual, very unusual. That is why I was talking about this. Yeah, the
Yeah.
next person in the slide. The next person in the
Jaya
slide.
Jaya
Of course,
Baduri.
Jaya Baduri.
Yes, one and the only Jaya Baduri.
Jaya Baduri.
Baduri. So, what anybody wants to share about Jaya Baduri? Anybody wants to say anything?
Jaya
Jaya
Badri,
Baduri.
Goodie to your
Huh?
and Abhiman to your understanding.
Yeah. Abhiman.
I loved Goody.
Goody is the
Yes,
best.
Goody.
Goody was the best.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Anybody else? Sir, Bayana, I'm waiting for your reply.
Koshish.
Something.
Koshish was also
Yeah.
very
Koshish
good.
was
Very good.
excellent.
Anamika.
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 Yes, yes. Then, friends, what is that movie where she sings this, Vijayanand and say, I'm not getting the name of the movie.
Kora
Ah,
Kagas.
Kora
Yes, sir.
Kagas.
Kora
Kora
Kagas.
Kagas.
How can we forget
Yes.
Kora Kagas?
Yes.
Right? And Shore, is it Shore?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Raat Ki
it
Rani?
Yes,
was
sure.
also- Yeah.
Sure.
Raat Ki Rani? Yes, she's Raat Ki
Yeah.
Rani and Manoj Kumar.
Chorun
And,
Ka Raja.
yeah, no, Shore, movie
Chor,
Shore.
no, Chor was Nanda, I think.
Sure,
Nanda.
sure.
No, Shore
Shore.
mein Nanda, she guzar jati
But I
hai,
think
lekin
she
baad
played a
mein-
small role.
Yeah, very small role.
Small
Yes.
role, yeah.
Of course, sure, both were there. Nanda also was there. Jaya Badri.
Jaya
also was there.
Badri,
Jaya Badri.
she's called as Raat Ki Rani. चोर है वो उस मूवी में. तो मनोज कुमार पॉकेट मार है वो. So उसको पकड़ लेता है. ना, that is the movie. But I was also recalling this movie where she's beautiful and it's a remake of a Bengali movie also. ये जीवन है.
Piya
इस
Ka Ghar.
जी-
Priya
Yes,
Priya
Kagar.
Ka Ghar.
Yes.
Priya
Wow.
का घर. How can we forget her? इस जीवन का
यही है, यही है
यही है.
रंग
अजिता सिंह, यही है रंग, थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ. यही है, यही है.
Was Anil
रंग.
Dhawan there in this movie? In this movie?
Yes, Anil Dhawan.
Anil Dhawan?
Anil
Anil
Dhawan.
Dhawan and
Anil
Jaya
Dhawan.
Anil
Baduri.
Dhawan. Anil Dhawan. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now I'm moving on to the next song. Okay. The clue is tax British.
What is it? What you said?
Tax.
Lagan.
Lagan. Lagan.
Lagan.
Yes. 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 Very well. Who is that?
Sridhar. Sridhar.
Sridhar. Oh my
Yeah.
God. You're so good at even the latest movies here, all of us. I thought, my God, whether I was telling my daughter, I said, I'm going to choose only these kind of songs because any old song, everybody will sing. So I didn't
Yeah.
want to get into that. And then I said, no, we'll wait. And then let me give all these 90s, 80s, and then post 2000. Let me try. But all of us are so good because melody attracts us. Effortlessly, we have been watching and learning. I think all of you will agree. So my favorite song from the movie is Or Chori. मान भी ले बात मोरी, ओ तेरे बिन मैं जिया तो क्या जिया, Oh, do you like this song, all of you?
Yes, and you're
Yes.
singing so beautifully. You're singing.
Friends, you know, I was actually so worried. I was asking somebody, why don't you join me so that I don't want them to be bored with only my voice. But somehow
None.
my friend who was very enthusiastic, her throat, you know, gala baith gaya. So yesterday she called and she said, sorry, please forgive me. Don't mistake me. I'm not able to come and join you. I said, theek hai. Okay. So next I'm moving on
Can I
to
say
one more.
one thing?
Yes.
Can you please? We can't see you. You are
You
against
want to
the
see
light.
me?
Yes, we would like
Okay.
to
Yeah,
see.
your face cannot be seen.
Right.
Yeah, there's the light behind her.
Yeah, so
Yes.
she's against the light.
1 second. What is happening? Priya, why I have Priya?
No,
Jyoti.
we can see you, but because of the light behind, no,
Yeah.
Oh,
we
is
can
it
see you
so?
dark.
Is it
Dark.
like
So
this?
one,
Now is it better?
We can see you in a silhouette.
Now
Yes.
you can see me?
ma'am,
No,
Suni, Jyoti ma'am,
if you
Suni.
face that, if you face that curtain, then we will be able to see you
Ah,
better.
okay. I got it. 1 second. Give me a minute. Yeah. In the meanwhile, I am giving you a clue.
Yeah.
Okay. मैं
Now
गा रही
much
हूँ, आप
better.
लोगों को वो गाना गाना चाहिए, ठीक है? चमकी मेरी किस्मत की रेखा इन नैनों के काजल में.
Sara Anand Ashram.
Yes, Amita. Is it better now?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
very
Yes.
much.
Much
Very
better,
much.
much
Yeah,
better.
sorry,
Much
I
better now.
didn't occur to me.
We can
Yeah.
look.
Anand Ashram, Sharmila Tagore, and Uttam Kumar.
Oh wow, Amita, you're totally like an encyclopedia, yeah.
Because it's my favorite song.
I know. Can we all sing that?
Amita, sing it.
तुम्हारा
सारा प्यार तुम्हारा मैंने बांध लिया है आंचल में. सारा प्यार तुम्हारा मैंने बांध लिया है आंचल में. तेरे ने now I forgot.
हम देखा करेंगे
पल
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 में.
में सारा
Yes, thank you,
प्यार
Amita.
तुम्हारा मैंने बांध लिया है आंचल में. So romantic.
Yeah. And Sharmila at her best, as
Yes.
usual, right? Yeah. Next.
Very much.
Okay, now already we got the song. Okay. एक मन था मेरे पास. Oh, Amita, please wait.
होने लगा.
Amita, please wait.
Okay.
पागल तुझे
अखियों के सरों
अखियों की झरोकों से.
Yes, who is that?
Ajita.
Sridhar.
Ajita.
And yeah, I think
Ajita.
Nanu also.
Sridhar also. Yes.
Ajita, Sridhar, please sing.
अखियों के झरोकों से मैंने देखा है
जो
सांवरे
बड़ी दूर
नजर आए, बड़ी दूर नजर आए. बंद करके नजरों को जरा बैठो सोचने, मन में तुम ही मुस्काए, मन में तुम ही मुस्काए. Yes, thank you. Next. मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है.
1942 love story.
Yeah.
On the dot, Sridhar sir, please sing.
Yes.
समय का ये
थम सा गया है
और
इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक
बस एक मैं हूँ.
कुछ ना कहो,
कुछ ना कहो.
Wow, everybody is
कुछ
good.
भी ना कहो.
Yeah, you can
Lovely
do
program,
that.
Jyoti. You made us to recollect so many
So
old
many.
memories.
Yeah, all old
Fantastic.
men.
Thanks, Indu.
Beautiful.
Jyoti ma'am, You made us recollect all our old romantic days.
Ah, yes.
Songs,
Priya, you can
these
repeat
songs
it
used to be
once,
one
right?
of our key factor in our day-to-day life earlier, but now we have
Yes.
completely become so mechanical, robotic. Now
Yeah.
we could really spend some time.
Thank you,
Thank you, Shanna.
Indu. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very
Yeah.
Thank you
nice.
very much,
Thank you.
Jyoti ji.
Now
Thank
I'm
you.
going to the, okay. मैं चोर हूँ काम है चोरी.
Raj
दुनिया
Kapoor song.
का हूँ.
Yes, who is that? Sing that, sing that.
Yeah, Sridhar.
See that. No, somebody else, some female's voice, no?
Vanita.
Vanita, sing, sing, sing.
मैं
मैं चोर हूँ
काम
काम है
है
चोरी.
चोरी
दुनिया
दुनिया
में
में
हूँ
हूँ
बदनाम.
बदनाम
दिल को
दिल को
चुराना आया
चुराया
हूँ मैं
हूँ
एक
चोरी
ही रकाम. ओ ये बात ये समझा दे ओ चंदा.
Nargis and Raj Kapoor.
प्यार कर लूंगी नजरें दो चार कर लूंगी.
स्टार्टिंग. दंबर जो इधर मुंह फेरे ओ चंदा. मैं उनसे प्यार करूंगा आंखें झुका. Yes, who is it? The only couple.
Nargis and Raj Kapoor.
Yes. Movie का नाम?
Three Chasavis.
Yes, Sri 420. And in that, there is a story my father used to tell me. It seems when she turns around and calls him, what she shouts at him something, Anadi. What does she say? She says something like that. Then, he takes her hand, Nargis's hand, and she literally twists it. It appears it actually hurt her. So my father used to tell me the story. Yeah. So Priya, I have another 2 more songs. Can I finish it?
हाँ जी मैम कर सकते हैं अभी एनीवे लंच ब्रेक था तो
Okay, okay. I have just 2 more friends. That's all. 2 or 3. That's all. Next. ये पल है अपना तू इस पल को झीले शोलों की तरह जरा जल के जीले. बाद में
देखती है तेरी नजरें इस तरह से.
Yeah. A beautiful song. I think that
Yes. Anybody? Okay, I'll give you a clue. Magic. वो magic है. जादू है नशा है
yes.
मदहोशियाँ तुमको बुलाऊं तुमको भुला के अब जाऊं.
Jism movie, Jism
Yes,
movie.
Shreya's best.
Jism, yeah.
Favorite song. The way
Very
she has sung
beautiful.
this song. It's
Very
simply,
beautiful.
if you
Malaika
always-
Arora, I think.
Yeah.
Malaika Arora.
Beautiful, beautiful song. Okay, we are moving to the next song. Dam dara dam dara mast mast
Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan.
Guru song.
Guru.
Yes.
A.R. Rahman.
Yes.
Guru.
Yes, singer is A.R. Rahman. Okay, starting.
Starring was Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya.
Yes, correct. Okay, continue the song. Dam dara dam dara
Dam dara dam mast dam dara dam
dara mast mast.
dara dam dara dam dam. हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना
तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रसिया ओ सजना
सजना
तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रसिया ओ सजना. What a beautiful song, no?
Beautiful,
Don't you think it's a
beautiful.
beautiful song, friends?
Beautiful.
And Aishwarya and Junior Bachchan at their best, right?
Yes.
I love this song a lot. Then next, this will be my last take on in the program, and thank you for your excellent participation. It has motivated me like anything, and I'm, if we could, I think all of us could have danced to these songs. I wish Sukoon will create a platform for this. This is a challenge to Viba. Viba, where are you? Are you listening, Viba?
Hey, ma'am. Here.
I hope all of you had fun. So I'm winding up this whole program. मैं हूँ आपकी सुकून सखी या Zoom सखी Jyoti Ramesh from Bangalore. So the last song is
Very nice.
नग में जागती सोती फिजाओं में हुस्न है सारी अदाओं में इश्क है रूहाओं
Juda
में.
Akbar.
Yes, Juda Akbar. Yeah.
My favorite
Starting of
song
the
actually.
song. Starting of the song.
In Lamho Ke, something like that.
Yes. In la- इन लम्हों की दामन में पाकीज़ा सी रिश्ता है. What a beautiful romantic song.
कोई धर्म मोहब्बत
मोहब्बत का la la la.
Yeah, Rahman again.
Yes, yes, Sridhar. Yes, you're totally right.
Which movie? Which movie? I don't know.
Jodha Akbar.
Jodha.
Jodha Akbar.
Jodha Akbar. Okay.
Yeah,
I
Hrithik
didn't know.
Roshan and Aishwarya.
Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai.
The
Jodha.
animation, the cinematography is lovely in that song.
Everything was excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, this is Indu, my friend, Indira Belde. She's from Bangalore. So
Hi,
I sent the
Indira.
link to my friends. So she also joined. So she's motivated. Thank you, Indu, for joining. Yeah, I'm so happy that you joined. Also, I sent it to many of
Lovely,
my
innovative
friends.
program. I had never come across like this. That's lovely. Very creative idea.
Yeah. And incidentally, friends, she's also my student. I taught spoken Kannada to her because she's a very great enthusiast. She wanted to learn. So I taught her
This
spoken.
is what we do. Now
Yeah.
there are so many people who have joined and once
Okay. Thank you a lot.
Wonderful, wonderful, Jyoti.
Thank
Thank you,
Fantastic.
Jyoti. Thank you so
So
much.
much.
Thank
Wonderful.
It was amazing.
Wonderful, Jyoti ma'am. Excellent,
Really
excellent.
enjoyed
Enjoyed.
Thank you, Amita. I'm happy you enjoyed. Amita, last minute I
Okay.
sent you the link
Thank
and
you.
you were so
Yes, yes.
worried about not being able to join. So I
Yes,
said,
yes.
just click
Thank
on
you
this.
so much. God
Everything
bless. Thank
now, Jyoti ma'am, आप चाहते थे कि we build a platform for dancing. Zoom पे also we can. If someone is willing to just stand and थोड़ा सा ना, we can do it together.
I don't know. Maybe it's possible. I don't
अरे
know.
मैम आप see गीतांजलि मैम is ready. वो तो नोट कर चुकी है.
हाँ.
I'm also ready.
Let me, Indu.
One second,
Indu
let me
is an accomplished
background.
Kuchipudi dancer. So Indu will teach us. Can you teach us Indira Belde?
Not Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam.
Oh,
Where I have
Bharatanatyam.
learned at my age of 6 years up to 20 years I have learned it. I can
Okay.
teach a few steps. It helps me to recollect few of my steps as well.
Oh, nice.
Not
So
now,
here you have a
later.
volunteer to teach
I
you.
can. Yes, I can definitely.
गीतांजलि मैम you're speaking but आप mute पे हो. हाँ.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I request all of you all to stand up?
Stand up.
Yeah. Okay. Krishna ma'am, आप पीछे से
Then
back
can
up
you
बता
see us when we stand?
Yeah, there's something wrong with my camera, so I'll be standing, and I hope you can. There's something wrong with my camera, so I can't switch
Ma'am,
it on.
put your camera up. ज्योति मैम थोड़ा सा आप पीछे होइए.
पीछे.
थोड़ा सा पीछे.
No, यार. I'm comfortable like this.
नहीं नहीं मैम थोड़ा सा पीछे होइए आपका फेस
नहीं
नहीं आ
रहा
रहा
है.
है.
Face अभी.
हाँ, फेस दिखाई
हाँ,
नहीं.
अब
हाँ,
ठीक
अब
है.
ठीक है.
अजीता मैम आप भी कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए. वो थोड़ा
अरे,
वाइट वाइट आएगा बट
Priya, there's something wrong here with my camera. I don't know what is happening.
क्या करवाएंगे हमसे? Stand up बोलिए.
Bhayana sir, Nima sir, you're younger than me. You have to stand up. We are ready to dance.
Okay, okay.
श्रीधर सर आप तो अभी तक कैमरा पे थे. आई थिंक सो. अनूप सर. हाँ जी आ गए.
Bayana sir. Why? I want to know Bayana's feedback immediately because did he find something wrong? Why didn't he participate? He's a good singer. And I don't know Vishnu why he didn't join. I don't know. Vishnu
No,
is good singing.
I understand.
Yes? Bayana sir, you're saying something?
There is no space to go behind and stand. Sit.
कैमरा कैमरा घुमा लीजिए।
अंकिता जी तो क्रिसमस का एकदम जोरदार प्रिपरेशन हो रहे हैं उनके तो।
So basically the women are more into than men. मैं समझ गई।
नानू सर करिए ना, सबको बोलिए ना जो नहीं है।
Please join everyone. We are going to have a dance session.
You also need some people to, morally support you. I am one of them.
No, we don't want moral. We want
Okay, spiritual
participation.
support.
नहीं, spiritual नहीं चलेगा जी।
Well said, Nanu sir.
Spiritual नहीं चलेगा।
ठीक है।
Okay, Nima sir, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
And the music?
Music?
मैं कर देती हूँ। कौन सा गाना बताइए?
जो भी कहे दिल चाहता है।
एक मिनट। सुनाई दे रहा?
No.
सुनाई दे रहा है।
आवाज आ रही होगा?
I can't see.
You can't hear.
Hindu, can you play?
नहीं आ रहा है क्या? वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा।
वॉल्यूम बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा है वॉल्यूम बिल्कुल।
Unmute yourself.
नहीं, अनम्यूट करके प्ले किया सर, बट शायद जोर से नहीं आ रहा है।
जोर से नहीं आ रहा।
Song you want me to play?
दिल चाहता है। कोई कहे या न कहे। Can you hear?
नहीं मैम, नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है मैम।
प्रिया आ रहा है?
नहीं वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा मैम।
नहीं आ रहा है।
ये
नहीं,
आपको ही
प्रिया।
गाना पड़ेगा।
Can you hear me?
ये ज्योति जी आप गाइए।
हाँ, ज्योति मैम आप ही गाइए।
इतना भी हमको दीवाना। अमिता। इंदु।
कोई कहे कहता रहे हम लोगों की बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने दे। हम लोगों की सोच में है जमाना।
ये हमें भूख लग गई है बहुत।
नाइस। इंदिरा मैम, आई थिंक वो स्क्रीन शेयर करने से साउंड शेयर नहीं होता है।
Oh, so you're not able to hear
नो
anything?
नो 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 नो, बट हमने डांस ऐसे ही कर लिया।
Shall I stop the share then?
हाँ जी। थैंक यू सो मच ज्योति मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
बहुत मजा आया। चलो, बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेशन एंड लंच वंच भी करेंगे सब लोग बीच में, रिक्वेस्ट ही और आप लोग ऑन रख सकते हैं इसी लिंक पे। वी विल बी डूइंग आगे का सेशन, लंच लेके भी आ सकते हैं। ब्रेकआउट रूम सेशन ऑन रहेगा। आई विल बी कमिंग इन बिटवीन। आई विल बी डूइंग लाइव टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग जितना हो पाएगा, एंड 2 बजे से नेक्स्ट सेशन है। सो बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, ज्योति मैम बताइए आपका सुकून सिकंदर कौन रहा इस सेशन में से?
सुकून सिकंदर।
एंड मैम एक ही नाम लेना है, हाँ ऐसे सब लोग हैं ऐसे नहीं।
ठीक है ठीक है, मुकद्दर का सिकंदर। मुकद्दर का सिकंदर अपना रहेंगे श्रीधर सर।
ये
Sridhar was answering most of the questions, right? And my suggestion is, please, next host will be Amita, because she's singing almost all the songs.
no host. No host.
I'm nominating. I'll help you here. We'll do it
Amita
together.
ji.
No host. No, I like to participate. I don't like no hosting. I'm shy.
Or else Bayana sir, he will do the next program.
Yeah, Mayana sir.
लास्ट वाला किए थे मैम। अभी we want अभी new faces। अमिता मैम आपके पास मैं
No,
आऊंगी।
not this time. No, I'll tell you when I'm ready.
मैम
I like to
नहीं
participate.
बताओ।
Why not Sridhar sir then?
ठीक है
Yes.
ठीक है मैम, चलिए नेक्स्ट होस्ट अभी हम बाद में देखेंगे। नेक्स्ट आई ऑल्सो हैव सारथी फॉर दिस सेशन, सुषमा मैम। सुषमा मैम आप बताइए कि कौन है जो आपकी तरफ से सुकून सिकंदर रहा इस सेशन का?
मेरे हिसाब से अमिता जी।
नाइस,
Thank you.
congratulations Sridhar sir and Amita ji.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, Amita.
Thank you.
Sridhar ji, you were phenomenal. You were phenomenal, Sridhar ji. And even Nanu sir, he was very good. I wish I could give one more.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay, I have a question. Please, can you all tell me where are you all joining from? Each one of you, please.
Joining from Kolkata.
Okay. Amita?
From Navi Mumbai.
Oh.
Navi Mumbai.
Sushma?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Bhayana sir?
Faridabad.
Faridabad. Sangeeta?
Jaipur.
Sangeeta Singh?
Jaipur.
Jaipur. Sridhar sir?
I'm from Pune,
Oh.
and I'm just on my way to a musical program where I have to sing a few songs.
Quite
Oh
good.
wow, you should
Why
be
don't you sing
singing.
one line at least?
Yes, you should sing, please.
Okay. गोरी तेरा गांव बड़ा प्यारा, मैं तो गया मारा, आके यहाँ रे, आके यहाँ रे, उस पर रूप तेरा सादा, चंद्रमा जूं आधा, आधा जवारे, आधा जवारे, गोरी तेरा गांव बड़ा प्यारा, मैं तो गया मारा, आके यहाँ रे, आके यहाँ रे।
Thank you. All the best.
Beautiful.
What is the other
Beautiful.
song you've chosen? What are the songs you're going to sing there?
Yeah, this and there is one which is Chaudhary Ka Chand.
Chaudhary Ka Chand.
Wow.
Please sing it for us.
Okay, okay. Then Bayana sir from
I'm from Faridabad.
Faridabad. Oh yeah, you told me. Name. Somebody else is there, Priya? Who?
नहीं मैम, आई थिंक अभी के लिए आई थिंक यू
I think
कवर्ड
Sridhar
एवरीवन।
ji is singing a song for us, Chaudhary Ka Chand.
Chaudhary Ka Chand. Okay, okay.
चौदवी का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदवी का चांद हो।
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
वेरी नाइस,
Thank
थैंक यू
you.
सो मच।
Where
Thank
is your
you.
program, sir? Sir, where is your program?
It is in Pune itself, just about
Okay.
couple of kilometers from here, Baner.
I thought if it's in Navi Mumbai, I'll come.
ये Sridhar sir, there was a question from Indra ma'am to you that I think who is there in your poster?
No, it was him only, but how did he make this backdrop? That's really interesting.
Yeah, no, I had gone for a trek in Bhutan, so I think that is probably the photo there. Acha, the one behind this, sorry, yeah, that is myself only. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is-
yourself only, but how did you manage to keep it like that behind your photo, and you have even changed your background? How did you do that?
No, somehow I think it was just there, and I think it has not gone off. I thought normally once my name comes, I mean my photo comes, that should not come, but I don't know, both are appearing together, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sir, so we like, I think there's just a option in Zoom which we can help you with. Sukoon assistance team can help you with that.
Yeah, you please help me. I think you will
Sure.
have to help me out with that. Yes. Yeah.
Sure. Sukoon assistance team you can reach out to. We can help you with the
Yeah.
steps to remove that.
Yeah, how to remove that
No,
part, you
actually,
can
it
tell
is
me.
good. Though it is a glitch, it is looking good.
Okay, now I will take your leave.
Yes, thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Come back
Thank
at
you
two.
all. Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti ji.
Grab
Thanks
some
a lot.
lunch and
Thank you
join
very
soon.
much.
Gitanjali ma'am
Thank
वापस
you.
आइएगा.
Of course.
Bye.
Whole day has been
Thank
booked
you.
for this.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sukoon.
Thank you, Sukun. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Thank you.
Geeta, why are you so
So
quiet now?
everyone,
My
one
knowledge
second,
is-
I'll just take 1 minute. Sangeeta and Sushma ji, 1 minute bas. So, for those who have just recently joined in, please, I've given a message in the chat box. Don't forget to, download the Sukoon app. We have recently launched the app. We look forward to your feedback also. We have tried to make it as user-friendly as possible based on all the feedbacks that we have received. Also, in case you want regular updates from our end, please do join the WhatsApp community. Also, we have a lucky draw today happening towards the end of the day. So to register for that, please do fill in the forms. हाँ सुषमा जी आप लोग कर सकते हैं बात. Meanwhile, I'm just breaking out into the breakout room sessions for all of you.
So can should we leave this? How
Yeah,
should
we
we?
can just
And
leave
then,
it. You
and
can
then
go for
come back.
lunch. Yeah,
You can stay also.
No, I have to go for lunch.